We've picked up two main problems or two main challenges that we have with our application processes. The first being the definition of exploration and the need to do an exploration rights application. As part of that exploration rights application, you need to do an EIA, which obviously is a site-specific investigative tool. The problem that we have is that in order to do your baseline assessments and your desktop investigations, in order to identify where your site's going to be, you need to get an exploration right. So you need to go through that EIA process before you've actually got your exploration right and been able to go through the process of identifying where your site is. So it makes it impossible for the environmental practitioners to do a detailed site-specific investigation on the particular exploration site. In essence, what it forces the environmental guys to do is to do more of a strategic assessment on the exploration area, identify no-go areas, identify sensitivities on a broad scale, and then provide other integrated environmental management tools or requirements for other integrated environmental management tools once the site has been identified, including detailed site assessments, environmental management plans, etc. One of the other problems that we have in this country specifically, I think, is that the South African public hasn't really been exposed to the gas industry. So when they see an applicant coming in applying for gas production rights in an area, I think the general perception is that it's going to have similar impacts to typical mining activities that South African population is used to, like coal and gold. Whereas in fact gas production has a much smaller impact, especially once it's in operation. You have basically just a wellhead with your pipelines, so it's a very small scale, small area of disturbance. So I think that the challenge for us as environmental practitioners and for the applicants doing the production rights applications is to spend quite a bit of time educating and informing the public, the receiving public, about the gas industry and the likely impacts, so that you don't get any misunderstanding and misinterpretation of what's being applied for.